Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today I am going to be unboxing some earbuds from Earfun. They just came in yesterday, Tuesday afternoon. They're the newest ones that came out, they're ANC buds. These are the Earfun Air Pro 2. Let's see, on the front of the box, we got IPX5 water resistant, not waterproof Earfun. No. We got 6 mic noise canceling calls, 34 hours of battery life, and active noise cancellation. And there's the service email and the email you can get their official website. Let's see, ooh, Bluetooth 5.2, nice. See, this is why I like Earfun. They show you what's inside the box, and they also give you the features. So you get the Earfun buds, the charging case, you get 3 sets of A ear tips and 3 sets of B ear tips, USB Type-C cable, and user manual. And the features, you see, we get hybrid active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, multi-microphone noise cancellation technology, so maybe that's clear voice capture, 10mm titanium composite drivers, ooh, not graphene, great. Let me see, 34 hours of total playtime, and that break that down at 7 hours on a single charge plus 27 hours with the charging case. Single earbud mode, left to right, so that's stereo mono mode. IPX5 is not waterproof, it's water resistant. Ooh, wireless charging, okay. In-ear detection, oh, I didn't know that. Transparency mode allows ambient sound, nice. And intuitive touch, ooh, and okay, full touch controls. All right, let me get my big box unboxing knife out. Open these up. Let's see here. I was gonna wait till the afternoon, so I just got off work not too long ago. I gotta go ahead and unbox these before I go night-night. Come on, let gravity take control. Come on. I'll do it by hand. All right, nice presentation. All right, take that off. Look at the case. Pretty hefty. It's about around the same size as the Soundcore Light P3 earbuds. We got a single LED light on the front. Flip it over to the back, we got USB Type-C, and we got some FCC stuff on the bottom. I'm gonna put that to the side, I'm gonna look at that later. Let's see what else is inside the box. Okay. Wait. Do it like that or do it like, okay, do it like this. Okay. All right, this is the USB-A to USB Type-C cable. I'm not taking this out of the bag because I got plenty of those. See, we got the user manual here in multiple languages, and we got pictures. Nice. And they do support full touch controls for everything. All right, cool. Let's see what else we got. So they had different sets of tips. Okay, so these are the A's. Let me see what these look like. Might not even need spin fit. Oh, these are nice, like umbrella looking ones. Okay, that's a different type of shape. I like the color accents, that black and red, that's nice. So that looks like small and large. And here are the B's, what the B's look like. Oh, I put a hole in the bottom. Oh well, I just have to put all these together then. All right, so let's see here. That's small, medium, and large. They kind of look the same. I don't know what the difference is. Oh, let me flip them up. Okay, yeah, they look exactly the same. What's the difference between A and B? They both have like an oval hole for your ear canal so the music will get through it. I don't really see much of a difference. But okay. Let's get rid of that bag because I tore it up. Let's get back to the buds. Okay, this is a different kind of color scheme. Usually, Earfun does black and yellow. You know, like the front of the box, black and yellow. But this is black and red. Take these stickers off. Now here are the buds themselves. Look pretty premium to me. I mean, they're built out of plastic, but that is, hold up, is that? Oh, okay. Earfun is stepping up. And these are the medium tips. Okay, so we got that little shiny thing. I see a microphone, see another microphone, got in-ear optical sensor right there in the middle, and there'll be a microphone at the bottom. Yep, it's right there, right below the little R branding. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the box, put that back in the charging case, take these off, and let me see what happens when I close the lid. Okay, so I wish they had like a pairing or a reset button. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it does have a reset button. It's kind of yeah, it's right there, right in between the earbuds. So we got a glossy finish on the face and some matte finish on the inside. So that should fit good in the ear. And yes, they do fit good in the ear. That's a snug fit. Very good. Lid is not going anywhere. Wow, that's a pretty, it's locked in place. So that's plastic, Earfun branding on the front. Yeah, I like the way these look. They're like the Tozo NC2 earbuds that I've already reviewed on my channel. And I see the multiple microphones. There's another one right there. Yeah. All you gotta do is insert it in the ear and then twist forward, lock in place. Nice. And they did say that they are wireless charging compatible, so let's see if that's true or not. I have no reason not to trust. Yeah, wireless charging, look at that. Just like the Earfun Free, the Earfun Free 2. I think pretty much every Earfun earbud has wireless charging. So this has been the unboxing of the Earfun Air Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds with ANC. I'll be doing a review on these probably next week, maybe in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So this is the end of the video. Be sure to leave a comment, like this video, and share it. And thank you for watching.